So folks, Avery here. The Woojer Edge vest is finally here. With this pandemic, deliveries got delayed by like 4 or 5 months due to inventory and shipping errors and all kinds of crap. Basically, we just had to wait. But we finally got them. So we're gonna open it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna see what's inside. There's gonna be a 3-part video. There's gonna be the unboxing, the review, and then the comparison between the original Woojer vest and then also my Edge vest. I'm sorry if you hear that in the background. That's my puppy. She misses me. She wants to hang out with me. So let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's open this. Ooh, that took long enough. But totally worth it. Hello player. Born to Steal. I like how it says Woojer Edge right there. My other one says, I think it says Woozer on the back. I gotta look at it again. Okay. So I got the fast charger. Does this mean it's less than 10 hours? Was it maybe like 2? Hoping. I'm hoping for like 2 hours this time of charge time. And then this is the adapters. Okay, let's see. Regular wall adapter. I guess if you're in Europe. And, well, is this in Europe? I don't know. But if I travel with this thing, apparently I'm covered because there's a whole bunch more. Oh yeah, no, I'm covered no matter where I go in the world. Sweet. All right, I'll put this back here for now. And there's the jacket itself. This thing feels premium and nice. I can't wait to try this on. It's gonna be dope. Look at that. This looks dope. Oh, smells good too. And what's this? So this is the auxiliary cord I can plug into my controller or my device, to the 3.5mm device. This is my USB cord, and these are the instructions. So I'm assuming this means that I should probably charge this for what, 10 hours? I think it's gonna be. Let's see. Oh, charge your Woojer vest for 1.5 hours. Sweet. Okay. All right. That's the end of this unboxing video. And stay tuned for the next one. So I'll actually do a review on what it's like to use this with my Oculus Quest system. Can't wait to put this bad boy to use. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let's see what this thing can do.
Hey, I'm here to show Avery how it's done. I'm going to do an unboxing in reverse. I don't know what any of these things are. Oh, you want me to unbox it now? Okay. It's a Woojer. It's a haptic vest for games and music. Here we go. Do you see this packaging? Oh my god. Woojer Edge. I can't wait. I can't even touch it. I've been waiting for so long for this to get here. I can't even touch it. I can't. Oh my god. Ooh, stylish. Not only is it a haptic vest for gaming and music, it's also fashion. Comfortable? Not really. Does it matter? No. This box is empty. I think someone unboxed this already. Okay, and See, box is empty, unboxed, and thanks, subscribe, like, comment. Bye.